All right. Well, I think I need to mow my lawn. My grass is getting pretty darn long. Let me go get my lawnmower. Oh, my lawnmower just comes all on itself. Okay. Hi, lawnmower. Lawnmower. Borrow your mic because my lawnmower makes sound, guys. Okay, my lawnmower's not starting. What's going on? Oh my gosh. I cannot start my lawnmower. Maybe you could help me. Do you think you can start my lawnmower?
Maybe I can. Not working.
Maybe you should try it one more time. Oh my goodness. Maybe one of you would like to come up and try to start my lawnmower.
How about the tribute?
It can't be tribute. It can't be. Okay. Anybody from the audience would like to come and start my lawnmower? How about you right there? Come on. Right to the front. Come on. My grass seriously needs to be cut. The county is going to evict me if I don't cut my grass. I need my lawnmower to start.
Okay.
You just gotta.
You have to talk nice to
Lawnmower.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, you started my lawnmower. Thank you so much. I guess it just took a big jerk to start it.
And now for a 10-minute intermission, so be right back. I'm done at home.